G, why don't you give a round of applause even as she takes the stage?
Hi everyone. My name is Heartwarming. I'm 12 years old from Peace Junior School, and my presentation for today is about celebrating the 4th President of Kenya. Welcome. Happy birthday to the son of Jomo, the 4th President of Kenya. And today, allow me to celebrate, allow me to testify. It has been 4 years of non-stop thanksgiving to God after you held me in your arms as one of your own, to see I attend school without being sent home for lack of school fees. To make the story more juicy, 4 years of a peaceful night with a roof over my head, without fear of paa linalonyesha wala ukuta unaoyumba yumba, na kuhofia maisha yangu kama mtoto wa kitongoji duni cha Kibera. And this kept my hope alive and made my dreams so real. Happy birthday to the son of Jomo for being my summer when all seemed winter. Your love, care, and kindness has made this birthday in my life a day to acknowledge that you are a heart so true, and I wish you nothing but a life that will give you 1,000 reasons to say glory to God for touching a life in the innermost of Kibera and shining light of hope that our dreams are valid despite our backgrounds. Long live the 4th President of Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta. I hope I salute you. Thank you.
Haya, leo SG twathie keki. Nĩ bado. Andũ a nĩ rwĩmbo marenda, andũ a mainaga atĩrĩrĩ. Tũgokĩra tene, tũgokĩra tene. Nĩguo mainaga.